So guys, my hair has been brushed up and it is doing all kinds of stuff at the moment. But you know what, it's time to put these bad girls aside and put them into braids. And one of the reasons why I absolutely love doing braids is because it's the most easiest style to deal with in the morning. It's just a matter of finding your hairband and deciding where or how you want to position your braids. Braids are so simple. I'll show you how I part my hair, how I braid and my braiding techniques. I'm going to show you guys how to section hairs and how to actually braid hair yourself. So my hair is up, ready in a bun, and we're ready to actually rock and roll. This part of the game, this part of the braiding tutorial is very important. This is where you get your snacks, your water, do your toilet break. I'm blind, so I kind of need my glasses to be able to actually see behind me. You're going to need your comb and you're going to need some clippers. Is make a line like that. Okay, and this is what you are going to be starting with. What I usually do, guys, once I've formed a line, I like to put some cream in the lines and moisturize it before I get cracking. Okay, so you make a line like this, and this is going to be your starting braid. And I will definitely recommend using even a hairband or anything, but for this I will use a clip and clip that over there. So now I'm going to be starting with this braid, and again I put some cream on it because my hair is dry. You want to go and get your bundle of hair. How you're going to do this, you're going to split the hair in half, and you're going to make almost like a cross like this, and then take the hair and make a knot like this, right? A knot. This is the knot. So when I say the knot, this is what I'm talking about. Hold the hair by the knot, hold your hair and put the knot against your skin like this, and then get ready to loop this round like this. So now this is like tied, right? And you're going to continue to plait. And I think so now that's tight, and you just continue to plait. And this is the braiding technique.
So that is 14 of the darker shades that I have right now. By the shades that I'm sure are another 14 that I don't need. It's a little bit more neutral than I normally go for, but I know with matching skin, Namibia is a bit lighter than.
So currently this is the state of my braids. This is the state of my braids so far. Please don't look at my puff right now. I'm having some mad hairstyle, but my braids are currently looking absolutely tidy.
Like, if you know what, if you're not into things that are a little bit more expensive, if you are trying to be on a shopping ban right now, don't watch this video, because it's about to be one that it's gonna get your it's gonna get you salivating if you're someone who is into.
Guys, I've started it off to show you guys how the braids will look like, because I decided to go halfway through my braids and show you guys how the rest actually turns out. I haven't made them as thick as I decided to, because I want them to be quite thin so I can actually put them in a hairband and have them in a ponytail, because sometimes the thicker the hair and the braids, the more of a headache, and the intense headache that you will receive is going to be ridiculous. So sometimes it's good to make a compromise with length and weight of the braids by making them ever so slightly and ever so thin.